What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the SMALLRIG. Now, as some of you guys know, SMALLRIG, it's a company which produces the camera equipment which you can mount, the tripod, the shoulders, and you can even have the smaller mounters which you can just keep it on your tripod and have an adjustment of lighting. Sometimes you have a tripod or a stand-off video light and you just want to keep things steady. Well, SMALLRIG got you covered. Not only that, throughout even camera side, you can just do bunch of stuff. This video is not sponsored by SMALLRIG, but I got this kind of product and I saw it online and I decided to purchase it so as I can share with you guys my kind of perspective through this kind of product, because I had a problem back then throughout video lighting and sometimes mounting my tablet or iPad through the tripod. So I want to change positioning, but I have only the video light stand, so it's a little bit kind of annoying. But today we have a fix. Well, let's get started. So guys, here is our SMALLRIG and we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside, which is really kind of awesome because I'm really kind of pumped throughout this kind of SMALLRIG to see what's happening in here. It says SMALLRIG Big Dream, which is really kind of dope. So let us just see what's Gucci inside. So what we get, as you can see guys, this is the package, and yeah, let us see what's happening in here, because knowing what you get, it's really important. Now we can see here we're getting this kind of opening stuff, which in my kind of country I usually call them Allen key, and I don't know about you guys, I think it's just the same thing. I'm not gonna make a lot of things get complicated, but you get some extra Allen key. You can see here some extra ones, which they're both of them too. You can see where they're going, and throughout here we can see this is our SMALLRIG stuff, which you can, it's a mounter which you can just keep it somewhere throughout your camera, and you can see it has a hot show here. It's just the same as this one, but you can see definitely this one here which I have, it's a copy one and fake one, which it doesn't do the thing. Let me show you with you guys what I'm talking about. Now you can see here I'm keeping it tightly. This is tight. This is the last kind of phase of keeping it tight. So you can see still it's moving, which it's supposed to not move. So it's really kind of annoying when you are somewhere outside and you want to keep things steady and work on your projects. This kind of stuff, which you can get it through Aliexpress too, it's annoying. But this one too, I bought it through Aliexpress and it's really much better. This one, it's more cheaper but gives you like, meh, let me just do the thing, but you have to figure it out soon. But this from SMALLRIG, now this is what I'm talking about. Now when you just lock it, it stays steady. You cannot even move it or shake it. This is what I wanted. So if you keep something here and lock it, I want it to stay the same way. But the only thing, you just have to make sure it's aligned at the center, the position which you want to, and you lock it and you're good to go, as you can see, which is really kind of awesome. And on this side you can adjust it, because this is like the hot show, and keep it somewhere here and adjust it somewhere here. When you're done, you just lock it on your camera side on top, which is really kind of awesome. So this kind of bad boy comes really in handy and it's really kind of cool. So this, you can hold it throughout even the tripod. You can see this is just for hot show, so you can keep it here for the tripod, but you can see this is quite bigger. Now let me just share with you guys for the reference, so as we can be at the same scope. You can see this one I'm using here is for the microphone, so I'll unmount it so as we can have a clear picture or the clear image here what's going on. So I'm going to remove this one because this does not stay here, it's a bigger one. And you can see this one, you can mount it here throughout the tripod and you're good to go. And you can set up your tripod just this position or any position you want to, just like that. Let me just yeah, just like that. You can see guys, you can set up here and you can even adjust it and give it different position you want. And when you're done, you just lock it and you're good to go to that kind of position. So you can mount your smartphone, you can mount your camera, you can mount every device which uses this kind of stuff to hold it, which is really kind of great. So that's what's up about this kind of stuff. And you can even have some extra ones to interchange throughout here, which is really kind of awesome. And you get the Allen key, so as you can screw it. So in case that you have used it and it messed around throughout the hole and the device you're using, you can just interchange throughout this one extra, which I find it's really perfect throughout SMALLRIG what they did. So these are the stuff which we got through SMALLRIG, and it's really kind of awesome. We have 2 of them, and yeah, it's really kind of cool. I thought that to share with you guys the experience, what's good about it, so as you can get a clear picture with the product line throughout here, what's happening, which can give you a full brief if you are looking forward to buy your mounter, which would be much awesome. So yeah, so guys, that's what's up about the SMALLRIG mini metal ball head. It's really kind of an amazing kind of stuff, which if you didn't figure it out what it is, well, this kind of product can help you throughout different scenarios of your camera stuff, your equipment of video, and many more through photography and a lot of stuff through even smartphone. And it's really kind of awesome, and it comes at ease. As I was saying, you can just have this kind of cold show at the back and you just screw it up just like that, and you're left with that kind of stuff which you can mount throughout your tripod, which is really kind of awesome. So this is a product throughout SMALLRIG, and it's really tough, to be honest. It's compared to the other one I shared with you, it was really annoying, but this one for SMALLRIG, well, you know what you're paying for, you know what you're getting. It's a perfect stuff, it's a perfect thing. Leave a link down below so as you can visit the website, and I leave a link down below for this kind of stuff which I got throughout Aliexpress. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. And a lot of you guys, you're not subscribed to the channel, come on guys, just support your homeboy here to be much amazing, so as we can just head for even 5k subscriber, even 10k subscriber, you know what I'm saying, so we can keep this kind of channel going. That's what's up. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.